Alright guys, let's start it. We need to crack one egg into a clean container. Because of the length of my hair, but I also think it is a good amount of oil, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. Here's the thing, this is completely optional. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice to the hair mask because it helps to remove dandruff and bacteria on the scalp, but I also feel like limes help to reduce the egg smell afterwards. Now that my hair is completely cleaned and damp, we're gonna start applying the egg olive oil hair mask. Hey! The simple way to apply this is to divide your hair into sections. Begin to apply hair mask from the root to the end. When you finish, do 1-minute scalp massage to promote circulation. The reasons I like to use egg olive oil hair mask is when I want to grow stronger hair, or mostly when I'm losing a lot of hair. Olive oil will moisturize every single hair, preventing any breakage, and it is perfect to treat dry scalp because it helps to nourish it and prevent dandruff. Eggs are well known to help us to promote hair growth thanks to the proteins and vitamins that they have, which makes them fantastic for healthy, strong, and shiny hair. Some of the main benefits when you combine egg and olive oil as a hair mask primarily is to encourage hair growth, also moisturize and add volume to the brittle or greasy hairs, revise opaque hair, making it shiny and soft, and my favorite is that it prevents split ends. If you don't have a shower cap, you can use a plastic bag, and I'm gonna show you how. This is so funny. Ta-da! If you can leave it for 30 minutes, that'll be fantastic. So here are my next day results, which you can see my hair looks shiny and it feels so soft, guys. But the best part is that my hair doesn't look oily and my scalp, it is very clean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. It's kind of quick, but it works all the time. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Pura Vida!